Hi there, I'm Luke. Welcome to another episode of Dad and Son's Alaska Adventures. We try to make every video unique, a painting and a story of our life here in Alaska. This episode starts with a daily run with the boys and getting our Cessna 170 ready for a new adventure. We set out to fly around to continue getting familiar with this airplane and share some of Alaska's incredible scenery with you all. We take off from our home airport, head to a gravel strip called Goose Bay. After practicing a few takeoffs and landings, we follow the coastline before turning upriver toward King Ranch. My friend Simon had invited me to an evening gathering at Victory Bible Camp, tucked away in the mountains. After spending some time with great people, enjoying the evening, I head back to the skies before midnight and make my way home. It was a day well spent. Thanks for coming along on another adventure. I got my work cut out for me this morning. It's a race. These kids are competitive. He put Leo on a bike. Tyrell doesn't want him to win. Are you tired out? Yeah. You went into a sprint. Try not to let Leo win. He's gone. These kids are getting too fast. Out here working on my airplane and gonna attempt to fly it to Bethel. It's about a little over 400 miles and you have to go through either Lake Clark Pass or through McGrath, which is over near Rainy Pass. A little bit of a planning that goes into it. We got a little wind generator on here. I have the smaller blade on it. I wanna see if that works, but I have a bigger one as well. And not the best view for the camera, but we're just gonna try it out for now, see if that works. It'll keep it charged because the batteries don't last long when you're flying, especially when it's cold. Have a little remote that'll turn the camera on. Just gonna go up for an hour or two and see how the plane does. It's a little bit windy this afternoon. It's supposed to be 10-15 knots, so I figured it'd be a good afternoon to practice. Plus we got more weight in the airplane, probably around 250 pounds in the back. So we can go out there and do some practicing, make sure everything's configured the way we like before our big cross country to Bethel. 24 gallons of fuel, that's about 150 pounds. We got all our gear, most of our gear. And we're gonna see how she flies with full tanks and about 250 pounds in the back.
Well, the sun don't shine forever, child. The river don't always run. One day these tired hands will rest and my time here will be done. But before I cross that lonesome line where the good Lord calls me home, there's a few things I'd have you keep, so you'll never Let my love help you along. Hold on tight to the joy we knew, and my heart will live in you. Life's a road with twists and turns, some smooth and some are rough. You'll stumble hard but rise again. You're always strong enough. Work hard but don't let the work on you. Hold close the ones you love. And when the world feels cold and mean, look to the Lord above. When I'm gone, don't you grieve too long. Let my love help you along. Hold on tight to the joy we knew, and my heart will live in you. I can't leave you gold or silver, just my love and my pride. So wear it well and don't be afraid to shine your own true light. When the wind moves through the cottonwoods and the night is soft and long, that's me whispering in your heart, singing you this song. So live your days with a steady hand and love with all your might. And when you see the stars above, know I'm walking in the light. When I'm gone, don't you grieve too long. Let my love help you along. Hold on tight to the joy we knew, and my heart will live in you, and my heart will live in you.
Bible band.
In roadworks, there's roadwork.
There's a strip over here.
Come unto me, all ye that labor and are heavy laden, and I will give you rest. Take my yoke upon you, and learn of me, for I am meek and lowly in heart, and ye shall find rest unto your souls. For my yoke is easy, and my burden is light. These are the words of Jesus from Matthew chapter 11, verses 28 through 30.
Breaks on holy ground. Dust turns gold where you are found. Every storm begins to sing. Every shadow bows its wing. The fields are dressed in living praise. The rivers lift 1,000 ways. And all my heart can only lean toward the one who's making me clean. So I lift my eyes past the veil of tears, past the way